the people who support me. Thank you for Senator Pia Cayetano for giving us many support to the athletes. And thank you to the PSC, POC, to the GAP, to the people in the admin in the GAP. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate what you did or what you do to me. And thank you kay Ate Bea, kay Ma'am Weng, kay Ma'am Cynthia, kay Coach Mune, kay Coach Raylan. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, wala ako dito ngayon. And I'm not gonna be in our Philippine history as a first junior world who got medal in gymnastics. Thank you guys for the all support. And Suzuki-san, KG Management, marami pang iba na pwede akong magpasalamat. And so sobrang dami niyo po, hindi ko na po alam kung sino pasasalamatan ko. Maraming salamat po sa lahat na sumuporta. Grabe po kayo.